Hey guys, welcome to my video. So the camera's a little bit of a change. I'm using my old mom's phone. Let's talk about Bob. Bob right here. Bob right here. It's absolutely my favorite character. So his friend is Glob, but I upgraded Bob to his maximum form. Now has a body. And Rip to my bunker. Yeah, my bunker's now dead. And Bob right here, Bob has a unique effect. Okay, it just dropped in the screen. I think it has too much weight, but I'm fine with that. Let me just build it back. So I built the arm by himself. You just keep breaking, but I got the result. I think it has too much weight. Let me show you Cuta here. Here's Cuta right here. That's Cuta. So Cuta here is a game called Cuta and Friends. So here's Cuta, and let me get up here. There's actually no player. And you might in the game, you just zoom all the way out. See, there's no effect. So I did that same trick. And when Cuta here, just turned to like a masterpiece. I'm showing you. Here's Cuta. And see, I use the same technique for that snake monster thing. And look at the size comparison. I think and see over Cuta and Cuta. You can see Cuta and the differences. So one, Cuta is cute. Second, Cuta's not cute. See, she has a lip. And let's introduce you to Squirt, one of the characters in the game. When he flushes down the pipe, goes up and go to the saw and just get cut in half. That's most of the saddest things I ever saw. But actually, someone did a modern video of no flushing animation, which is the greatest thing. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.